Hey everyone, just a quick video to show just the quality of this RAM mount that I just picked up yesterday. It is quite phenomenal. I used just a cheap mount from Canadian Tire, trying to use my phone as kind of a dash cam just to capture a nice mountainous drive. This is just a quick video with the new mount. Just showing a quick little drive into a neighborhood. Quite incredible the way this thing just absorbs the bumps. Like, there's a lot of ice on the ground here, so it is quite bumpy, but it doesn't reflect through in the video. I'm just watching the mount as I drive here, and it is not shaky or unstable, nothing. It is perfect. Just a little bit of insight in case somebody is looking to buy one of these mounts. Quite incredible, highly recommended, very secure. This one's just suction cupped right onto my windshield, so pretty easy, pretty clean, good mount. Thanks very much. Have a good one.